Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're going to enable the features Windows needs before we change the taskbar. First, open Settings and go to Personalization, then Colors. Turn on Transparency Effects so the compositor will render blur and translucency. This is the core requirement. Set an accent color and pick light or dark mode depending on contrast needs. This controls how much the taskbar blends with wallpaper. Once done, make sure you're using an account with admin rights for the next steps and keep this window available. Now you'll modify the registry to ensure transparency is applied to the taskbar itself. Open Regedit as an admin, navigate to hkcu/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/themes/personalize and check the Enable Transparency word. If it's missing, create it and set it to 1. This tells Windows to apply translucency system-wide. Once updated, close Registry Editor and then restart Windows Explorer, open Task Manager. Finish by confirming the look and resolving common issues. After restarting Explorer, inspect the taskbar to see the translucency. If it's subtle, adjust your wallpaper or accent color to increase contrast. Darker wallpapers show more effect. If changes didn't apply, restart the PC. Sometimes the compositor needs a full reboot. As a troubleshooting tip, run sfc/scano from an elevated command, prompt to repair corrupted visual files if edges or transparency fail. If you need, repeat the registry step carefully and then reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.